Hey class, this is Anne here with my last quiz review. I'm going to go over 3 questions. All of them are from quiz number 4. So this first one right here, you can see I missed it. And the question reads, when someone adopts a DBA designation, it means, and then select all that apply. So the first time I took this quiz, I didn't select all that applied. I just clicked one answer. So that's why I missed it, I think. So I just did a quick Google to double check. DBA is a doing business as, and it allows your company to legally operate under a trade name, also known as an assumed or fictitious name. Right there. So I would need to select means someone has an assumed name, the person has a fictitious name, the person has a trade name. I don't think it necessarily means the person is a sole proprietor, so I left that one unchecked. Okay, moving on to my question 5. What is a general partnership? The first time I took this quiz, I believe that I selected this one, any enterprise managed by more than one person, but I forgot that according to our book on page 57, nonprofit organizations may not be partnerships. So it's not any enterprise, it has to be a for-profit business owned and run by at least 2 people or entities. So for it to be a partnership, it has to be at least 2 people. So this answer wouldn't work. It needs at least 2. And again, nonprofit can't be partnership. So it is a for-profit business owned and run by at least 2 people or entities. Okay, lastly, I'm going to go over, where is it? This one. Why is it generally advisable to keep the price of shares? Okay, why is it generally advisable to keep the price of shares of initial stock relatively low? When I first took this, I selected so stocks will have more room to increase in value. But I mean, I did some Googling, and so underpricing is short-lived because investor demand will drive the price upward to its market value. I read this and I thought that meant the answer was so stocks will have more room to increase in value, but I think that in order for them to increase in value first, they have to be bought and sold between investors easily. So I think this is the answer. Uh, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure that in order for the stock to increase in value, first it has to be bought and sold between investors. So I don't think it's in either of these two. Because, I mean, they can. Okay. Well, I hope that covered that question. And that's it for my quiz review. Thank you.